busy. Are you gonna finish everything?
I want to smell it. No, it's a bad.
How can you not like ice cream? That's like ice cream.
The icing?
Yeah, it's like ice cream.
It's gonna be.
Can you grab the knife, Mama?
It looks like ice cream. She doesn't like
Yes.
ice cream.
Yes.
Oh, she doesn't like ice cream?
She doesn't. She runs away from it.
What did you guys do to her?
I know, right?
She doesn't like the cold.
Mmm.
Mmm. No, that's you. For you.
Mmm. It's gonna give it a
Get some green. Get some green.
Get a big handful,
There you go.
Alana.
Bite. Bite. No, for you.
Like this, Alana. Like this. Rawr.
Yes,
Like
like
that.
good time.
Thank you.
It's gonna give it to you.
Thank you.
You sharing?
You're double dipping, baby. You double dip the
The
chip.
whole side of the cake. Okay, no more. No more. No more. Okay. You can. Well, that one. Yeah, you can have that one.
You want a drumstick?
No more.
Chicken?
Right
You want
here,
some
right
chicken?
So we have to like melt the ice cream for her to eat it? Heat it up?
No, we just don't give it to her.
Oh, turn
sorry.
into a smoothie.
Can I have some of your ice cream?
Yeah. Just a lot.
Okay.
That's a nice spoon.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay, no more.
No
No
more.
more, no more, no more.
You need to get a tummy ache.
Oh, it's my turn? Oh. Okay. I'm not. Thank you. Thank you, Lana. Thank you.
She's like, man, I'm not done. I'm not done. Pick that. Pick me back up. Okay, no more, baby. I'm sorry. Okay. Throw a fit. If you're gonna throw a fit in the room, okay? Nobody wants to hear you throw a fit. I'm sorry. There's just no more than. Okay.